Are you struggling to find a reliable and efficient solution for your industrial space needs? Our expert team specializes in industrial shed construction, offering tailored solutions that fit your specific requirements. Whether you're in manufacturing, warehousing, or any industry needing extra space, we provide high-quality construction that meets your standards. We work closely with you to design a shed that optimally utilizes your space. Using premium materials and cutting-edge techniques, we guarantee durability and longevity, serving as a robust foundation for your operations. Our commitment to timelines and budget adherence means you can count on us to complete your project on schedule, without minimal costs. We prioritize transparency and communication, keeping you updated every step of the way. Transform your projects with our expert industrial shed construction services. To know more, contact us today for a free consultation or visit our website link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.